Welcome to the next session of our ZetaSphere software training series. Today we'll guide you through the startup routine, which ensures your ZetaView system is ready for accurate and efficient measurements. You'll find the Measurement Startup area in the Setup tab, located on the lower left-hand side of the interface. Depending on your needs, you can run the routine with or without activating the Fluorescence setup. Starting it will initiate the Auto Setup wizard, which you can use at the start of each day, or repeat as needed. What to expect in the Auto Setup wizard? At the beginning, the cell rinsing should be performed. Select the clean water container, usually bottle 1, and make sure there is at least 10 milliliters of water available. Then press the rinse button. A visual progress bar is located within the window to show how far along you are in the current step. Afterwards, the preparation for measurement will be done. Load 100 nanometer polystyrene beads, included with your ZetaView system, at a 1 to 250,000 dilution, and press Start. The system will automatically focus and evaluate the cell quality. Afterwards, the instrument will center the measurement cell. While this step is not essential for size and concentration measurements, it's important for accurate zeta potential readings, which rely on a well-defined stationary layers. And if the fluorescence option was selected, the fluorescence test will be performed. Choose the fluorescence channels relevant to your experiment. Select whether you're using single-color or multicolor beads, and confirm your settings. As you progress through the steps, you'll notice a set of clearly labeled buttons and indicators that guide your actions. Back, this button allows you to return to the previous step in the setup process. Skip. If a particular step is not necessary for your current workflow, the Skip button lets you move past it without completing that task. Abort. The Abort button provides a way to immediately stop the current step. Cancel. At any time, you may choose to exit the Auto Setup wizard entirely by pressing the Cancel button. This stops the setup process and returns you to the main interface. To help you keep track of each step in the wizard, a set of color-coded status icons is displayed at the top of the window. These indicators provide at-a-glance information about your progress. Orange icon. This indicates the step you are currently working on. It highlights your active position in the setup flow. Once a step has been completed successfully, it will be marked with a green icon, letting you know that the action was performed correctly and is ready to proceed. Gray icon, steps that have not yet been completed, or those you've chosen to skip, will appear in gray. Once all steps are complete, the Auto Setup summary page will display which experiment types are now ready. Just press Confirm, and you're all set to dive into your experiments.